Hey everyone, it's Ariel. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do 5 super easy but super cute hairstyles that you can do pretty much effortlessly. Like, these are all really easy to do. So let's just get right into it. I'm starting off with doing a half up, half down style, and then I'm leaving just a couple bang pieces out at the front. So I'm just pulling pieces down and kind of playing around with them until I like how they're sitting. And then I'm going to take a section at the top of each ear and I'm going to bring that right up to the top of my head. And then I'm also pulling out a little section around each ear. And then I'm going to take a hair tie and tie up this half up section. Basically, I'm just folding my hair in half and then wrapping the hair tie around it, but it really doesn't have to be perfect. However you kind of like to do your bun will work. And I also like it to be a little bit on the messy side, so I'm really not worried about it being perfect. And again, just kind of pulling pieces out and tweaking it a little bit with my hands until I like how it looks, and there we have it, half up, half down. Okay, so moving on to style number 2, which is like a half up, half down, but with space buns. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your hair is parted in the middle. And then from there, you want to take a section at the top of your ear and then at the top of your head, similar to what we did in the last style. And then each side you're going to put into a space bun using a hair tie. Again, it definitely doesn't have to be perfect. We are going to be going back in with bobby pins after, so this is just to get the basic bun in there, but it doesn't have to be perfect, don't worry. And then again, I'm going to be leaving some bangs out, so I'm just making sure I have somewhat of an even amount on each side left out, and then just doing the same bun on the other side. So just wrapping it around my hand and then taking my elastic or hair tie and just tying that in a bun. As you can see, they're definitely not perfect, but this is where our bobby pins come in handy. So we're going to take a couple of those. I like to just open them up a little bit first and then put them in, just so I can get a good amount of hair in there. And so just bobby pinning wherever I feel like it needs to be pinned down a little bit, wherever it's not sitting quite right. And then I'm going to take out a couple pieces around my ear, right in front of my ear, and that's pretty much it. This is my half up, half down with space buns. Now, style number 3 is a low messy bun. This is one of my favorite hairstyles because it's pretty much good for any occasion. So to start, you're just going to take out some of your bang pieces and leave those out, and then gather all of your hair at the back of your head in a low bun. Take a hair tie and just tie that up. I usually have to use 2 for this because my hair is really short, so there's usually some hairs that are just sticking out kind of funny. So just to make sure I really got a nice secure bun, I want to use 2 hair ties. And then once that's good, I'm going to go back in and mess it up a little bit. So just kind of pulling at it wherever I feel like it needs. I really like it to be messy, so I'm not afraid to pull at pieces and tweak it a bunch until I like how it looks. And there we have our low messy bun. I was really feeling the song I was listening to, so don't mind me. I just thought it was too good, I had to leave it in. But moving on to the next one, so you'll need a clip for this one, a claw clip like this. And basically I'm just taking all of my hair, pulling it all to the back, and then I'm twisting it at the back and putting that claw clip in to hold it all. And then you could leave it like this, but mine was looking a little funky, so I decided to pull those front pieces out again. And from there, I'm basically just pulling out any other pieces that I think need to be pulled out. And this is it. This is kind of like a super casual French twist, I guess. I feel like you could totally dress this one up or down, and I mean, you guys saw how easy that was. It took like 30 seconds. Crazy. So the fifth and final hairstyle I'm showing you guys today is the two messy French braids. So first I'm starting by parting my hair all the way down the middle to the back of my neck, and then I'm just starting on one side. I'm doing a reverse French braid. And if you want to see how I do this, I do have a video already on my channel, so I am just going to speed this part up, but I will leave a link to that video somewhere here if you want to see. I'm just reverse French braiding all the way down the one side, and then I'm securing it with a hair tie, and then just doing the same thing on the other side. There we go. You could leave it like this if you want, but from here, each loop of the braid I'm pulling out a little bit and tugging on just to give it a little bit more of a messy look. Here you can see like before and after I do that. It's just a little bit of a different look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on both sides all the way down to the ends. And that's pretty much it. This is just two simple braids, kind of a messy, effortless look, but I think this is super cute. And that is it, guys. Those are my 5 hairstyles. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave it a like and comment, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!